Delivery error. Raj, a laid-back 30-something gamer, lives alone in a messy apartment filled with pizza boxes, soda cans, scattered socks, and blinking game consoles. His typical day involves lounging on the couch, watching sci-fi flicks, and dodging responsibilities. One lazy afternoon, the doorbell rings. Annoyed but curious, Raj opens the door and finds a glowing, futuristic-looking package on his doorstep labeled Time Fix 3000, rewind 10 seconds. Without hesitation, Raj presses the button on the device. Suddenly, the half-eaten pizza slice that had fallen off his plate magically reverses time and flies back onto the plate, fresh, warm, and untouched. Raj's eyes widen in disbelief. He tries another experiment, rewinding the moment his phone buzzes with an incoming call from his mom. Poof! The phone call reverses and never happens. Raj grins wickedly. Excited, he gets bolder. On a Zoom call at work, Raj watches his boss trip over a chair. Instead of helping, he rewinds a moment again. And again. Laughing to himself, he loops the moment endlessly, treating the office call like a slapstick sketch. Next stop, a fast food joint. Raj orders a burger, takes a big bite, then hits rewind. Instantly, the bite is undone and he's holding a fresh burger again, free of charge. The confused cashier stares at him in disbelief. Raj just smirks and says, "Time's money, bro." High on power, Raj takes his antics to a coffee shop on a date with an elegant woman. Nervous, he tells a joke that falls flat. So he rewinds. Tries a new version. Rewinds again. And again. But no version works. The woman grows suspicious, her eyes narrowing as she finally says, "You're glitching." And she storms out, leaving Raj alone and speechless. Later that night in his apartment, Raj clumsily spills his drink. He instinctively reaches for the time fix. But this time, something goes wrong. The liquid rewinds, then spills again, in reverse and forward, as the device begins to spark and crackle. Out of the chaos, a second Raj appears. A clone, more intense, more serious, who steps forward and growls, "Put down." But Raj doesn't listen. Instead, the chaos escalates. A series of wild events follow. 3 neighborhood cats mysteriously appear and meow in unison. The boss from the Zoom call keeps looping his fall endlessly in Raj's memory. The original Raj and his clone engage in a ridiculous living room dance battle, each trying to out-rewind the other. Time spirals out of control. Years pass. The once vibrant room is now coated in dust. Cobwebs hang from the corners. On the old, sagging couch sits a skeleton in a gamer pose, all that remains of one Raj. Next to it, old Raj, now in his 80s hunched and tired, clutches a shattered Time Fix 4000. He looks at it with a weak smile and mumbles, "Maybe, just," he presses the button. Nothing happens. The screen glitches, flickers. Dusty room, a sleek futuristic drone flies in and drops a glowing new device. Time Fix 5000, skip 10 years. Now with auto loop. The device auto-activates with a buzz. The screen glitches. Time loops once more. And a robotic voice echoes.
Time fix, regret, rewind, repeat. Time fix, regret, rewind, repeat. Time fix.
Moral of the story. Taking shortcuts in life may feel rewarding in the moment, but tampering with time or responsibility can lead to chaos, regret, and irreversible consequences. True growth comes not from rewinding mistakes, but from learning from them. You can't fix life with a rewind button, sometimes, you've just got to live it. Messing with time? Great for skipping mom's calls, bad for avoiding karma. Time Fix trademark symbol may rewind your pizza, but it can't fix your life choices. Satirical bite. Why grow up when you can glitch out? Or, wait, because clones, cats, and chaos.